My name is Gala. In my video, I'm going to show you super easy technique how to make Christmas tree garnish from cucumber. For this technique, we need crinkle cutter. It's knife with wavy blade. The best cutter when waves very deep. When I slice cucumber, I make sure it's wide enough to place stick in it. I keep lines on a slice horizontal when creating tree. When you cut off sides, make sure you leave skin on the top of tree. We can leave it as is or add another detail as a star on the top. I use cookie cutter to make my star from carrot. Of course, we can use paring knife, but it takes longer and will be not perfect looks. This simple Christmas garnish is great on skewers, but we also can serve it without. After I make my tree, I cut off the bottom for stability. On the top, I'm going to cut out line where I'm going to place my star. To make star from cheddar, I using cake fondant cut and press tool. I place star on the top and my Christmas tree is ready. Thank you so much for watching and please remember to subscribe so you don't miss my new videos.